In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on email approval requests in HubSpot. By the end, you'll have a simple approval flow in place so that every marketing email gets a second set of eyes before it goes out. First, open your HubSpot account and go to the trial guide. This guide is a handy starting point used in many onboarding and demo portals, and it gives you quick access to the areas we need. If your screen looks a little different, that's okay. The steps are the same from any HubSpot page. Next, click the settings gear. You'll find it in the main navigation, and it opens the workspace where you manage all of your account, user, and marketing configuration. If you don't see what I'm showing, make sure you have the right permissions. Typically, you'll need marketing email permissions or admin access to adjust these settings. In the left sidebar of settings, click on marketing. This collapsible menu organizes tools by product area, and marketing is where all email configuration lives. A quick tip: there's a settings search bar at the top of the sidebar. Typing email, they can jump you right to the correct section if your menu is long. Now click on email. This is the central hub for marketing email setup, including configuration, compliance, and tracking options. It's also where approval controls reside, so everything you need is in this one place. Finally, open the tracking tab. Within this tab, look for the approvals or email approval requests option. This control allows you to require approval before any marketing email can be sent. Toggle it on. If you're prompted to choose approvers, select the teammates who should review and approve messages, then save your changes. From this point forward, when someone creates a marketing email, HubSpot will route it for approval instead of allowing it to send immediately. Approvers will be notified and can review subject lines, content, links, and compliance details before giving the green light. A couple of practical tips as you finish up. If you don't see the approval option in the tracking tab, double-check your user permissions and your subscription tier, since approvals are available in certain Marketing Hub editions. If changes don't seem to stick, try a quick refresh, clear your browser cache, or use an incognito window to rule out local caching. That's it. You enter the trial guide, open settings, navigated to marketing, selected email, and use the tracking tab to enable email approval requests. With approvals turned on, your team reduces risk, keeps branding consistent, and ensures every send meets your standards before it reaches your audience.